Good day. We are IFINITY, a Bubble certified development agency. So today we will be going over how to see your workload usage. So a lot of clients actually ask, I have 300 students who are going to my Bubble site and go through surveys every day at the same time. Do you think Bubble's basic starter plan is enough for this project? Okay, so here's the thing. A lot of times, it really depends on how you build it. Let's say it's a simple page like this, and there is a input and a lot of drop downs, and it saves the database with one click in a single page. Then let's see how much this workload spends. Okay, let's see. Basically, you click, and do it and save it. Okay, hopefully it's saved. And then now you go to editor and go to logs, and you can go to server logs. 2 minutes ago, you search. Oh, search again. Search again. It will show up. It will show up. Ah, okay, sometimes the logs show up a little bit late, so there is a delay. So here is the thing. So now create new test. So it created the database 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 column database, one row has been created, and it spent 1.62 workflow. So that means when you do create a database, it usually spends 1.62. But I only created with 5 columns. Let's test now with 10 columns if it's same or not. Okay. So I will go to workflow, and now I will put demo studio so 5 copy 6 copy 7 copy 8 copy 9. Okay, now test it again. So now you will see, is it one single create database? Doesn't really matter with the number of columns for the workload usage. Now test it out. Okay, now let's create. Okay, now you go to logs. So this was 1.62. So here. So now you created 10 columns, see? And it is still 1.62. So that means when you actually create a database, it doesn't really matter how many columns you enter your input. Just executing one create new database quite spends 1.62. So something like this, you can test it out without any design. You just put what you are going to do, and then let's say here now it's 1.62 and times by 300 students every day, then it becomes 1.62 times 300. So every day it will spend about 486. So that's how you do it.